Hey everyone, welcome back to Show Me Creeks. Today I am in Fredericktown, Missouri. I'm going to go down here and fish the little St. Francis River. This is the downside of their city dam. Oh, we got over here a deer. Oh, just a big old squirrel. And he's hauling butt. But this is a super nice place. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Man, check out that little area over there where it just circles.
You know, I was just thinking that.
Man, you know, sometimes you make a cast and you're just like, that's a fish.
Yeah.
And then you don't get it, you're like, what? Oh, something little come out right here and hit her.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, right from under this rock, I could see it. Kind of reminds me of pink rock, just a little bigger.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it really does. A lot of similarities.
And like I said, normally this water's clear, or clearer anyway. Yeah, I'm curious to see if anything's over there, if it can make it without getting hung up. There we go. Yeah. Whoa. Feisty. Wow, he's got a lot of really cool colors on him, man. Yeah. Cute. Let's toss him back. See if we can't get another one.
Big brother.
Right? Well, that was right where that other one hit at, was right here. Yeah, probably. I think there's like a little dead catfish over here. Something in the water right there is dead. Looks, I don't know what kind of fish. See it?
Oh, look. That does look like a dead catfish. It looks like there's two of them.
Yeah.
Are they dead?
Well, it ain't moving. No.
Not dead?
No. They're stuck here or something, dude. Yeah, somebody got them stuck. There's a couple of them, at least 3 or 4.
I thought I saw more than one.
Yeah, look,
Somebody forgot their stringer, man.
their pole broke. Huh. Who's the pole? Rest
Those
of their
are
pole.
channels. Those are channels, not unless I use them as a... Wow. Are those blues or channel cats?
Channel.
I thought they were, man.
I believe that guy's dead, huh?
He might
Maybe not.
be. No, he's still...
How the
I
hell?
think all them channel are alive.
I think so too. I don't know how they got it. Why they would rig it like this.
Get in there, buddy. Oh, he's fine.
Yeah. Man,
Here,
they really got this stuff.
let's see.
Yeah, your knife's probably sharper being a razor knife.
Yeah. Let's see. Well, you got line right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's his whiskers.
Right there's the line. Right here, ain't it? Yeah, right here.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
I don't know. Might just be wrapped up, huh? There we go.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah, it's okay. I think these catfish should be fine though. Catfish are pretty tough. Dude, he took off.
Yeah, he did.
I could see that green sunfish not making it though.
Yeah. I'm trying to get you free, bud.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
I can hold this.
Oh, well. All right, bud. Ow.
Stick you?
Yeah. Watch about it, man.
He might not make it.
This guy, I think he's going.
Yeah, this guy, he's moving around quite a bit.
Come on, bud.
That first one just jetted off. I bet this one will too. Oh. It'd be okay in a
Tried
minute.
to save him, man, you know?
Huh? Well, we definitely saved one.
Well, two, I think, didn't we?
I think the other one took off. I don't even see that green sunfish now.
Yeah. He was bleeding from his gill, but it wasn't from our dip. There he goes.
Yeah, just get him kicking a little bit, moving around.
Good deal, man.
That's crazy. Oh, there's that green sunfish. Yeah, he's swimming off now.
Is he?
Yeah.
That's a good thing, man. Scored some good karma with the fish, right there.
Right, no doubt. These kids are like, hey, where's my fish?